Hello friends, welcome to Engineers World, and in this video I will tell you how to record your computer screen. If you want to share your knowledge with your friends, with your colleagues and with everyone, or if you want to make some technical videos uh, or some like non-technical videos, then you need to record your screen. Then the question is how to record your computer screen like uh, like the way I'm doing. So just you have to download the Filmora software. mm, Let me close it, let me reopen it, Filmora. So it will look like this, Filmora. I will share the download link in this video description. So go with the full feature mode and make sure the ratio is 16.9. So this will this you the Filmora UI is like this. So you can import your media file and use. I will tell you about Filmora more about in my next later videos, but this topic is how to record the PC screen. So here you can see the record button. So when I'm just highlighting it, a tooltip says record a video. Just click on drop down, record from webcam. If you are recording the webcam, then you can record this, record PC screen, or record a voiceover. In this, like, you can simply record your voice. So when you will click on record PC screen, it will it will show some, pop-up the width of the video, what part you want to show uh, when you will record your PC. So just simply uh, crop the area you want to make visible to the user. As you can see, like in this my video, you are not able to see this the task menu, I think. So by this, if you will click on this record button, you will automatically get what to do. Just simply in the new pop-up, a new pop-up will come, and just simply click on record button. So after, when you will record it and when you will click to end the video, just click F9, and the video will automatically be inserted in this panel, and one new output video will be in the Filmora folder. So it will automatically open. So by this by this tool software, you can record your PC screen. And the main advantage of this Filmora is that if you will choose your output file, then uh, its size will be in MB. It won't give you in GB. So if you will make 10 minutes video, then it will give in size of 30 to 40 MB only. So that's why I prefer this. Thank you so much for watching, and hit subscribe button to to show your love. Thank you so much.